Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is on some new hair, but first let's get into this braid pattern. So the braids in the front and in the middle are leave out. All around the back you just have braids going straight back, and in the top you have braids going in a diagonal. I'm applying some scalp oil because anytime I do a quick weave, I definitely want to hydrate my scalp so it doesn't get itchy. This is the bond protectant. It keeps your natural hair from getting any glue stuck to it. So you're going to use your glue bond protectant on your own natural hair, and then you're going to apply 2 wig caps. I used to apply the wig caps right at my hairline, but now I bring them down to my forehead so that I can cut that thick band away and release a lot of the tension. I press the wig caps into my hair, and then I go ahead and apply another thick layer of the glue bond protectant. I make sure that's completely dry using a blow dryer, and then I move on to starting my quick weave. So the hair I'll be using today is the Outre Purple Pack Boutique Brazilian Bundle Hair in the wet and wavy version. It's 100% human hair premium blend, and I have it in a 18, 20, and 22 bundle pack, and I have it in the color Natural Black. So I'm using my Salon Pro 60-second glue. I start at ear to ear and just go straight across the nape of my neck, not too low down. You don't want to have too much tension down low at the bottom of your hairline. So I just start at the ear and just go across, continue laying tracks using a light amount of glue. You don't want to go crazy with the glue because you really don't have to. You just cut your tracks to the length that you need it to be, and then just glue them down, making sure that you don't glue onto your leave out. Remember, your leave out is at the front of your head and is at the center part, so make sure you do not glue your leave out braid into it. The good thing about using the bond protected is you can see it. You can kind of use it as a guide to see what you're doing. So that's the 22-inch bundle. That's how far the 22-inch bundle got me. And remember, this is a 3-piece bundle pack, so you have an 18, a 20, and a 22. So a little bit about this hair. This hair is a very inexpensive, very affordable, and you can use it in multiple different ways. You can use it in a quick weave. You can use it in a ponytail style. You can use it creating a wig at home. It's so easy to do and it's so affordable. There is no reason not to try it, you guys. I've used the boutique bundle hair plenty of times before. This is my first time using the wet and wavy, but I was very impressed with the quality and I loved how easy it was to style. So definitely make sure you guys check this out. I will leave some links down below to where you can find this hair. So remember, you want to go ahead and cut away the excess cap. Be careful to use small, very sharp scissors so you don't have any problems, and it's easy for you to control where you're cutting because you don't want to cut your own hair. So I always use very small, very sharp scissors so that I can be very precise and accurate with the way I'm cutting my hair, my cap away. I also use a tan color cap and a black cap. The tan color cap allows me to have a guide to know where to cut because it's a different color from my own hair. So that's why I use 2 different color caps. That's a really good trick if you have a hard time finding where to cut. So once I got closer to the leave out area, I just cut pieces to fill in everywhere where I needed hair. And then I just went right up to my parting space. Even if the cap wasn't there, I still went ahead and used the glue and glued it down even if the cap wasn't there, because it's still very easy to, remove the glue. All you need to do is use an oil or a cream conditioner. So be sure to lay that last track directly into your parting area. Lay it right where your part is and not onto your hair. And then your quick weave is complete. I absolutely love how this I love how this quick weave came out, and I did have a little bit of hair left over. You can go ahead and put that at the nape of your neck if you want to. I ended up not doing that, but I did want to show you guys that that is an option. I went ahead and used my GLEEmade clips to clip back the quick weave, and then I went ahead and took out my leave out. Now my hair is colored. My natural color is a 1B, but I do have my hair colored to a number 4. It's fine though. I don't mind my hair being a different color than the extensions. If you're very particular about that, this hair does come in multiple different colors, so I'm sure you can find one that matches with your hair color. I went ahead and used my Babyless flat irons, the 1-inch one, on the 45 setting, and I went ahead and straightened my leave out. So once I finished flat iron, I just combed and brushed my leave out into the hair, and I absolutely love how this hair looks. It's very luscious. It has a beautiful luster to it. It's 100% human hair blend, which means that this hair is going to last you a lot longer than regular synthetic bundles. You're going to get your multiple pack, so it makes it so easy to style and know you have enough hair. It's curling iron safe, it's tangle and shed free, and you can purchase a matching closure. I didn't use a closure, but I absolutely think this would be adorable to create a wig and use a closure as well. So as usual, you guys, I got super busy and it took me a week to finish reviewing this hair. So literally this is a week later. Yes, I've been wearing this hair for 7 days. I went to Target and grabbed a crimping iron because I wanted to see if I could blend my hair with crimps into this hair. So I just did a little trial and error with this brand new crimping iron, and I actually ended up really liking it. If you guys want to grab it, I'll leave a link down below to where you can grab this crimping iron. I just used it on my own natural hair at the lowest setting. And the crimps came out really, really cute. I was actually worried that maybe this hair wouldn't last and look pretty enough to finish this review, because I have been wearing it literally for a week, you guys. I wasn't really like tying it down or wearing my bonnet like I should have. Like, I was really worried. But you guys, this hair actually really lasted. Like, this is not your typical affordable, cheap, like synthetic hair. This hair is really nice quality. I would dare to say you could probably wear this hair for like a month, maybe more if you care for it properly, because this hair is still looking so good, and it's been a week. So I literally crimped my hair. I brushed it out. I added some cream conditioning cream to it and blended it with a brush and a comb. And you guys, I really, really love this hair. I would definitely suggest it. If you guys are in the market for some affordable hair to try out some of my quick weave techniques, this might be a really great option. I'll leave links down below to where you can check out this hair for yourself. And if I've missed anything or you have questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So this hairstyling cream is amazing. It's by a brand called The Do, and it is Black woman owned. This one is called Bonita Afro Bum, and you can find it in Target or on Amazon. I'll leave down links down below to where you can check this out. This cream is so dope because it gives you a nice like amount of control with your hair and tames your hair, but it doesn't leave it greasy. It just gives it a pretty luster. So that's all I did to blend this hair, you guys. I used the crimping iron and the Bonita Afro Balm, and this hair just looks so gorgeous. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Help me beat this algorithm by giving me a thumbs up, and make sure you're helping me grow this channel by sharing this video. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a quick weave lover. Share this video with your mama. All right, peace.